Good morning, children. And exercise 8.3. It's a very simple concept. Usually, limit given me limit x to 1 half x square plus 1 x minus 1 or x plus 2. In this way, it will given me replace x by 1. Alright? 1 square plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 by 3 is the answer. But here, what is the difference between previous exercise and this exercise? Limit x comma y tends to 1 comma 2. But the questions are involving x variable as well as y variable. Replace x by 1, replace y by 2. That's all. Previous idea only. Previous question x only involving. Replace x by 1 only. Replace x only. But x comma y tends to 1 comma 2. Up x is 1, y is 2. Substitute that like that. That's why first 3 4 problems are very simple concept. 2 mark 1 like this. Now write the question. Here, what is you asking? If the limits are existed. If the limits are existed, if the limit existed. Now write the question. What is the question? If limit of x comma y tends to 1 comma 2. Alright, g of x y is equal to limit x comma y tends to 1 comma 2. The g of x y already find out. 3x square minus 3 is an xy divided by x square plus y square plus 3. Now what about you replace x by 1? 3 into 1 square minus x is 1, y is 2. The 1 square plus 2 plus 3. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 by 6 is the answer. That's all. By using replace x value, comma y value. Yeah, x comma y tends to 1 comma 2. Replace x value is 1, y is 2. In this way, substitute the value, we get the answer. 1 by, actually, question is what? Question. Remember the question one? The question is again 3 only. Okay? 3 means the question is the x square. Question is y square. Or 2 square. What is the answer? 8 is the answer. 1 by 8 is the answer. Similarly, the same concept, if the limits exist. What I was saying, limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 is given. Cos of x cube plus y square by x plus y plus 2. Now replace here. Cos of 0 cube 0. 0 square 0. 0. 0 plus 2. Okay? So cos of 0 by 2. Cos 0 only. 0 by 2 0 only. Cos is what? Only replace x value and y value, they get the answer. Very simple concept. What do you do the same? Now next question, that is f of xy equal to y square minus xy by root of x minus 1. For x comma y not equal to 0 comma 0. What do you mean, friend? Directly apply 0 means 0 minus 0, 0. Here also 0 square minus 0, 0, 0. 0 by 0 is coming. That's why, what I could do, this type of problem, this is the question is there. You want to multiply divided by conjugate after the one, okay? This is the question. F of x equal to y square minus xy by root of x minus root of. Replace x for x y equal to so. Now apply 0, 0 square minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 0. Here also 0 minus 0. 0 by 0 form is coming. That is not answer. Am I right? That's why previous area multiply and divided by conjugate of the denominator. Am I right? Into root x plus root y by root x plus root y. Am I right? Now limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. Here what is common? Y is common. Here y minus x. Here root x plus 1. No change at all. Divided by a minus b, a plus b. Okay? A plus b, a minus b. What is the answer? Root of x to the whole square, root of y whole square. Okay? Now once again, limit x tends to y, x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. This given as y, you want to write x minus y. Automatically here minus will come. Okay? The root x plus root y divided by square root as you know, only x minus y. You cancel. Now apply 0 minus y minus 0. The root 0 plus root 0. 0 plus 0 0. Here also minus 0. Only 0 is gone. 0 comma 0 will not gone. But 0 is coming. Denominator 0 means it is wrong. After cancel, we get the answer only 0. That is the answer for you. That's it. What is the good answer? There are minus 0. What is the good answer? Minus 0. Here 0 plus 0. Totally 0. That is the answer. One more same question. The limits are applied. Limits are exist. Already given. But actually apply the limit. Cos of e power x sin y by y. Replace x 0 by 0. Cos of e power 0 sin 0 by y as 0. Okay? Replace. What is the limit? I'm going to write. Am I correct? Here, before applying the limit, suppose you are applying the limit, e power 0 1, sin 0 1 is 0, 0 by 0, that is wrong. That's why by composite function, limit of cos of something. This can be as cos of limit of something. Alright, this is called actually composite function here. Okay? Limit cos of something. Now we interchange. Cos of limit of something. This is called by composite function theorem. Composite function theorem. Now, one more idea is that limit of only LT, LIM or in the book actually LT only given x comma y 0 comma 0. The e power x alone separately. Again, limit of sin y by y separately. Here cos of here e power 0. Okay? Into what is that? Limit of sin x by x. What is it? Limit of theta to 0 sin theta by theta equal to 1. What is the reason? Directly applying x 0 by 0. Here x not involved. Y 0. Sin 0 by 0. 0 by 0 meters. By using the layout of the rule, differential numerator and derivative separate, sin y becomes cos y. The y became 1. Only cos y is there. Now apply 0, cos 0 is 1. In this way you do. Or that way you do. Now e power 0 is the 1. Again cos 0, cos of 1 into 1, cos 1. That is the answer. That's the answer. Cos 1 is the answer. Now listen here, fifth problem. Let g of x y equal to x square y divided by x 4 plus y 4 for x comma y not equal to 0 and if here f of 0 comma 0 0 this is given. Now show that limit x comma y to 0 comma 0 g of x comma y 0 along every line we can have. But directly applying 0 by x 0 y 0 0 by 0 will come. That is wrong. But along every line, replace y to mx, then simply we get the answer 0. Because you want to show the answer equal to 0. Direct applying 0 by 0. That is wrong. Here is the same thing only. You want to prove this answer, but in substitute k equal k x square. Am I correct? My dear, this is given. This is given. We have explanation. This is common to both the problem. Both the subjects is common. Now what is asking? First solution. Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 is equal to g of x y equal to limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. The replace g of x comma y is what? X square y by x power 4 plus y square. Already told you, directly replace x is 0, y is 0 means 0 by 0 is coming. That's why what is given? First question given y equal to mx. That's why what the kind of the question x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 or g of x y equal to limit of x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 or x square y equal to mx, you know. Okay, what is the question? X square into y is what? Mx. Here, remember this x power 4 plus y square mx whole square. Okay? Now simplify. If there is common cancel, then how is the value? You get answer. Okay? Directly, applying the value, 0 is coming. But replace y is k, you make something given. Now simplify. X comma y tends to 0 comma 0. Here x square is no problem. Here out of this two, x square is common. What is it? Here x square will come. This m square x square. X square can say no. Only m square is coming. Now replace x 0 is 0. M into 0 by 0 square plus m square. But 0 by m square. 0 by m 0. That's all. You mind it? Mx whole square means m square x square. Our direct answer y square is given. Y is mx, m square x square. Okay? Now take x square is common. X will cancel. Now I'm going to do it. Similarly, the x problem is the same thing. Second subdivision. Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. G of x comma y is equal to limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. The g of x is what? The same thing only. G of x is the same thing only. X square y by x power 4 plus y square. Now limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0. Now x square into y what is given? Y is x square. Okay? Given y equal to x square. Now x power 4. Here y square is what? Y equal to x square. Y square is what? K square x power 4. Okay? The k square x power 4. Now what is common denominator? X square the x power 4 common into y. You know x power 4 kind of say 1 plus k square. Right? Now replace x is 0, y is 0. But here x will not involve. Answer is k by 1 plus k square. Clearly the answer is given in the question. Find it. First question, g is the answer. The next one, k by 1 plus k square is given. Clearly given. Very simple concept. Replace x0 by 0 means we get 0 by 0. But some conditions are given. Substitute the condition, replace y value. Then after taking common, cancel, now apply the limit negative condition. Now listen here. The next concept. Explain 8.3, remaining problems 6 and 7. These two problems, small idea. Limit and the continuity of the functions of two variables. Suppose that a equal to x comma y two variables, where x is placed between a and b, c is placed between c and d, y is placed between c and d. Contain r square, r is real number. Am I correct? R is real number. X comma y two variables, only x belongs to r, or y belongs to r. Combine together, x comma y belongs to r square. Am I correct? There is a way. R square means 2 variable, no. That's why one variable x belongs to R, y also belongs to R. You want to write in terms of x comma y. Am I right? That's why it belongs to R square. F is a function of a to R, then we say that f is continuous at u comma v. If the following goes. Here already a b involved. That's why I am asking u v. Sometimes instead of u you will put a comma b. That's easy for you. The first one is f is defined at u comma v. The limit x comma y tends to u comma v, f of x y is equal to L. Limit x is, and L is what? F of u comma v. These three conditions satisfy me, it is continuous. Here LIM or LT, both the same. Am I right? LIM limit or LT is both the short form of limit. It depends upon the person. LIM you will always LIM. Sometimes LT you will put LT. That's all. They both the same. Now question number 6 says, by using this idea, show that f of x y equal to x square plus y square divided by y square plus 1 is continuous at x comma y r square. X comma y plus r square. First assumption is supposed to say let the first one is a comma b belongs to r square. Inside x comma y I am putting a comma u comma b also possible, but here I am assuming a comma b belongs to r square. Be any point, is any point. Be any point. Am I right? First thing you will find f is defined at a comma b, no. That's why replace a comma b by x comma y. F of a comma b is equal to a square plus b square by b square plus 1. This is defined. What is this end? Suppose denominator 0 means not defined. But a comma b only real number and b also real number. B square also positive number. Positive number plus positive number only positive number. But denominator is not at 0. That's very important. When 0 by 0 or denominator 0 means this is not defined. But in this particular problem, definitely not defined. That is defined. 0 is not defined. But in denominator will not get 0, no. That's why this is definitely defined. First part over. The next one is what? You will find limit of x comma y belongs to a comma b. Our assumption is what? A comma b, no. That's why x belongs to x comma y means x comma y tends to a comma b limit of f of x y. Right? F of x y is equal to limit x comma y tends to a comma b of x square plus y square by y square plus 1. Am I right? Replace again a square plus b square by b square plus 1. This is called L. That's all. Limit exists. This also exists. What is it? After applying the limit also, denominator will not get 0. That is, limit is existed. But this is the second part over. Am I right? The third one is apply the limit. Again the same thing only. Limit x comma y tends to a comma b f of x y equal to substitute here. Am I right? Replace x is y a, y is b, becomes only that's the end, which is equal to now f of a comma b. Substitute here f of a comma b. F of a comma b is what? Already find now a square plus b square by b square plus 1. But these three conditions satisfied. That's why this is continuous at x comma y comes to r square. This is answer. The both are same control only. Defined, the denominator is 0, not even 0. That's why defined. This L limit is existed. Last one is what? All are equal. Belongs to for all. The a comma b belongs to r square. That's why f of x y is continuous. Okay? Continuous at which point actually? The point is here x comma y. Am I right? That is very important. Continuous at every point x comma y belongs to This is also the 3 mark or 2 mark question. The small definition. For using the definition, we have 6th problem and 7th problem. Or 2 problems are example problem. Refer the book. Now, 7th question. When g of x comma y is equal to e over y into sin x by x for x not equal to 0 and g of 0 comma 0 is equal to 1. What is the reason? G of 0 comma x is 0, y is 0. X 0 means e power 0, sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0, e power 0, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0 by 0, 0. But in integral form. But here 1 is given. What is the reason? When you use the Greece area, you apply the limit, you know. Separately, we can have 1 into 1, 1 will come. That's why 1 is directly equal. That's why given 0, 0, g of 0, 1 only now. That's why g of x comma y directly defined. Yeah? Already given. Now after the limit, here, limit extends to the question. Substitute g of x comma y value. This is a value. Now this can be known as right separately. This one into limit of x comma y equal to 0 comma 0 of sin x by x. Am I right? This is what y is 0 means e power 0. It is on the box sin x by x. The limit extends to 0. Only sign. Only to 1. Am I right? Anyway, all the way equal now. Am I right? The third one. Limit x comma y tends to 0 comma 0 here at 0 comma 0 not a comma b. So I apply a comma b. So a comma b 0 comma 0. G of x comma y equal to l equal to g of 0 comma 0 equal to value is what? Therefore for 0 comma 0 belongs to r square. Therefore g of x comma y is continuous at same concept. But here generally x comma y is given. So you want to assume any point and the point is a comma b. But if particular point is 0 comma 0, there is a comma b, here 0 comma 0. The same concept. Only 2 problems are exercise. The remaining 2 problems are example problem. Refer the book. This exercise is completely over. Now listen here. The next one is the partial derivatives. The partial derivatives for a function of 3 or more variables are defined exactly in a similar manner. We read this is called not d, do f as partial. The simple is what do means the partial derivative with respect to this one. Do f as partial of f, do f as partial x. And we read as do f by do x as partial f by partial x. It is also read as do f by do x. Do f by do x. That is what? Do f by do x. Do. This place is dh, you know. We read as do f by do x. That means partially this f with respect to x. What is mean partially? For example, the previously x in terms of y, we get only derivatives. Suppose w in terms of x means only d derivatives. This is previous area. But here w in terms of x and y is one. Suppose x plus y is one. Now partially not only differentiate with respect to x here, partially differentiate with respect to x means the do w no, that means do w by do x with respect to x. X is a variable, y is constant, y is coming separately. This is 0 x 2. What is that? Partially differentiate with respect to y means do w by do y. Y is a variable plus y is 1 x 0. Am I right? Suppose x and y is there. With respect to x, you know, y is constant, it does multiplication. Y is fixed, difference of x is 1. Because y means x is fixed, y is 1. In this way, you want to differentiate with partial differentiate with respect. Not ordinary differentiation. This is called partially differential equation. That means here W in terms of F in terms of G in terms of 2 variable involving 3 variable involving. Am I right? Some of this particular question is f of x y. X and y involved in the question. But that means what? The partial derivatives asking me, you will find dou f by dou x. That means what? Partially differentiate with respect to x first. After substitute x value is 2, minus y is minus 5. After partially differentiate with respect to y, dou f by dou y. After substitute. Suppose where is it also involved me, you will find dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. In this way you will find. Previously, the f in terms of only x value involved me, only df by dx. But f in terms of x and y involving, that means partially differentiate with respect to x, then partially differentiate with respect to y. In this way you will find. Now, the first question, find the partial derivatives of the following function at the integrated points. The first one is f of x y equal to 3x square minus 2xy plus y square 5x plus 2. The point is 2 minus 1. Very first, short form, partially differentiate with respect to x. That is what? Dou of f of x y. Okay? Find dou x. Okay, otherwise dou f dou x of x comma y, okay, equal to what I know is this next, you know, about 3x square. X square is variable, 3 is constant, x square becomes 2x minus the 2 constant, y also constant, difference of x is 1 plus y square is purely constant, y square only involving. Y square is separate, you know, that's a 0. That's very important. Not like y square will 2y individually. Mind it. Partially with respect to x means x alone variable. The remaining is constant. And the constant involved is separately mean 0. Plus 5 into x is 1. 2 is constant 0. Now simplify 6x minus 2y plus 5. Now what is our game? Point now. Dou y by dou x of, what is the point? 2 comma minus 5 equal to 6 into 2 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 5. 12 plus 10 plus 5. Okay? What the answer? 27. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to y. For dou f of dou y equal to. Now y is variable. The x square is 0. Minus 2x is constant. Difference is now y. With respect is 1 plus y squared is 2y. Malisema y squared for differentiate or differentiate with respect to x means y squared become 2y divided by x. But here y squared with respect to y only. That's why 2y only will come. Next plus 5x is 0 because no x y variable plus 0. The simulation is what? Minus 2x minus 1 plus 2. Now what is asking? Dou f by dou y of 2 comma minus 5 is asking. Minus 2 into 2 plus 2 is the minus 5. Am I right? Now what do we? Minus 4 minus 10. That is minus 4. Put this answer. Now hereafter, the main 3 exercise only will say a partially differentiate idea would be about 2 variables involved me or 3 variables involved me with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. With respect to x means x alone variable remains constant. And the constant can be separately mean 0. When product means the x is variable, y is constant. X plus y means y is can be separately 0, x is 1. Product means x and y means y is fixed. Constant no, fixed. Difference x is 1 into y by y. That is the answer. In this way you want to differentiate. Important 3 mark question. Lengthy problem is 5 mark question. Important concept. Now listen here. Second solution. G of x y is equal to 3x square plus y square plus 5x plus 2. Comma 1 comma minus 2. Am I right? The same thing only. Partially differentiate with respect to x. Dou g of x of xy equal to with respect to x, 3 into x. Y square is constant 0 plus 5 difference of x is 1 plus 2 is constant 0. 6x plus 5. Now dou g of x, what is the part? 1 comma minus 4. 6 into 1 plus 5, no y will get. 11 is the answer. That's all. Now partially differentiate with respect to y. For dou g of x comma y is equal to this, suppose 3x square, this is y, but 3x square purely constant 0. The y square we have 2y plus 5 is 0, it becomes constant, this is also 0, 2 only. Am I right? Now dou g of dou y is equal to at 1 comma minus 2. Replace x is 1, y is minus 3, no value, that is 2 is the answer. Am I right? 2 into y, 2 into minus 2, that is what? Minus 4 is the answer. That's all. The same type of problem, third question, h of x comma y comma z is equal to x into sin of xy plus z square into x. The first step, partially differentiate with respect to x. That means what? Dou h of dou x of x comma y comma z is equal to only x, here x, here also x. We use UV formula. X into sin of something. That means what? Cos of something into inside bracket x into y. X is 1, y is constant. Am I right? That's important. Plus sin of xy is fixed here. Difference x is what? 1. Plus the last one is z is constant fixed here. Difference x is 1. Am I right? Now xy into cos of xy plus sin of xy plus z square. Now substitute the value. Therefore, dou h by dou x at 2 comma 5 by 4. X is 2. Y is what? 5 by 4. Here, cos of 2 into 5 by 4. Okay? Plus sin of 2 into 5 by 4. Plus, here is what? 1 square. X is 2, y is 5 by 4. Now simplify. 5 by 2. This is cos of 5 by 2. This is also sin of 5 by 2. Plus 1. Here 5 by 2 into 0. Okay? Cos by 0. 5 by 2 1. 0 plus 0 is here. 1 plus 2 only. That's all. In this way, partially differentiate with respect to y. From dou h y, but just d, ordinary d, partially in this way you want it. First x comma y comma z. With respect to y, here x is constant, sin of xy given, cos of xy, y is variable. Thus x is constant, x into 1. Am I right? Plus, this one is what? Without y, that is 0. Answer is x square into cos of xy. That's all. Here no y variable, all are constant, difference is 0. Now, dou h by dou y into, what is the point? 2 comma 5 by 4 comma 1. 2 square into cos of 2 into 5 by 4. Am I right? The 4 into cos 5 by 2. 4 into 0. 0 is the answer. Am I right? Last one, partially differentiate with respect to z. For dou h by dou y of x comma y comma z is equal to, the first is no z variable. These are all constant. Differences are constant 0 plus the x is constant, right? Differences are just like 2z. So 2x is the answer. Now substitute again. Dou h by dou y of 2 comma 5 by 4 comma 1. X is 2, y is what? Pi by 4. This is 1. 2 into this is 1. Answer 4. What's the answer? Now check the book answer. The first question. What answer? What the answer for? Second subdivision. 11 is the answer. Minus 1 answer. Next one is third subdivision. First one 2 answer. Next one 0. Last one is 4. Book answer is correct. Dou means partial derivative or dou means differentiate with respect to x means x alone variable remains constant. And the constant can be separated with 0. The constant variable together will come in. The constant is fixed difference of variables as is. I use the formula. Important concept. Fourth question. G of x y equal to e power x plus 3y log of x equal to x square, comma point minus 1 comma 1. The first one is partially differentiate with respect to x. What I told you, dou g of dou x comma y equal to here x is here of x is known. So therefore by using this known. Am I right? So e power x plus 3y is constant. Log of something 1 by something into difference in respect to x, you know, by insert bracket log of something 1 by something into difference of something 2x plus 0 plus log of x square plus y square is here into here difference is not first one is not the e power something become e power something into something become difference in respect to x, you know, x is 1 3y become constant as 0. Out of this, what is common? E power x plus 3y is common. What is it? 2x by x square plus y square. Here 1 into log of x square plus y square. Okay? Now substitute the point here. Dou g by dou x at minus 1 power. E power minus 1, 3 into 3. Okay? Here 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 whole square, 1. Plus 1 whole square, 1. Log of, again, x is minus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1. Now, solve by e power 2 minus 2 by 2 plus log of 2. E square into log 2 minus 1 is the answer. Okay? By using UV formula, because x involving the first term as well as second term. In this way, you will find answer dou g by dou x. Similarly, you will find partially with respect to what I told you, dou g of dou y x comma y equal to here also y involved, here also involved, y involved. Uniform again. The first one is basically here. Log of something become 1 by something into differences of something. But with respect to y, x square becomes constant 0 plus 2y plus log of x square plus y square is constant. Here the e power something become e power something into differences of the power x is constant, variable constant now plus 0. But y is variable 3 into 1 3. Okay? Now again what is common? E power x plus 3y is common. The remainder of the 2y by x square plus y square plus 3 into log of x square plus y square. Now the same thing. Now dou g by dou y at to minus 1 comma 1 point. The e power minus 1 plus 3. The 2 into 1 plus 2. Divided by already we know 1 plus 1. Because minus 1 whole square become plus 1 whole square 1 plus 3 into log of again 1 plus 1. Okay? Now equal to e power 2 the same thing bracket 2 by 2 plus 3 into log 2. Okay? Now cancel now. E square into 1 plus this can log 2 power 3 is log. The simplification is 1 plus log 8 is the answer. After differentiation, only simplification. That's all.